You guys, so this will be a sponsored video featuring Westkiss hair. Now they did send me their 13x4 highlight curly wave wig, and this is at 22 inches. So you guys, what's going to be different about this video that you're going to be seeing today is that I actually went to one of my favorite hairstylists, actually one of my favorite hairstylists in my area. She always gives me the hookup. She always fits me right in, and she hooked up my hair, y'all. Look at this. Oh, do you see this? Come on now. This is beautiful, okay? I'm so happy about this unit. Okay, so normally I get a middle part, which is what I was actually gonna do, is get a middle part, but she was like, you know, I decided to go ahead and hook it up and give you a side part. So this is how it came out, you guys. I'm not against side parts, but it's just, you know, middle parts are like my go-to, but this side part looks so good and I'm so happy about it. She asked me, did I want the crazy baby hairs or did I want regular baby hair? So she gave me the crazy baby hairs everywhere, which they look so good. Before we get into the full install of this unit, you guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and make sure you hit your post notification bell so you don't miss an update every time I post. You guys, so as you guys seen, I did show you guys the full unit. She customized it and everything. She bleached it. I will have all of her information in the description box below, you guys. Like, that's my girl. Like, I love when she hooks my hair up. Like, I love when she does my hair. It looks just so good. She never ever disappoints. It's like, it feels so good sometimes to just have somebody do your hair, and all I have to do is get in front of the camera and just like let you guys know how beautiful this unit is. She said that the lace was so easy, like it was so soft. It was thin, so it wasn't hard to like lay down the baby hairs or anything like that. So she had a good time actually installing this unit. It didn't take that long, basically, 'cause my hair was braided already, so all she had to do was go ahead and just install it and then, you know, wet it and stuff. So it came out really, really nice, you guys. Now with this unit, I would say it looks so good when it has product in it. So what I did different this time as far as the product, I sprayed water in the hair, and then I also put Eco Styling Gel on it. I normally put my shea oil and moisture mousse on my hair to get the curls to come out, but I actually use Eco Styling Gel this time. I actually think the Eco Styling Gel is just a little better, just because I feel like it just gives it that silky, wet type of look. It goes really good with the water. I don't know, I just think it works much better than like the actual shade mousse that I use. As far as the lace, you guys, I do think that this lace blends really good with your hairline. Very transparent, goes really good with my skin tone. Like I said, she did customize it, and she also bleached the knots, so I would definitely recommend that you bleach the knots when you're doing this unit. I think I may start also having my wigs get customized if they're not already that way, because some wigs will already come customized and bleached and pre-plucked. So I think that's what I'm gonna start doing though, is maybe paying people to customize, you know, my units. I think it looks so good when the knots are bleached and everything just blends so properly. Like, I don't have anything bad to say about this unit, you guys. It wasn't hard for her to get the bulkiness down. She didn't say anything about the wig being too bulky. As far as like I said, the products, I think that the hair looks 10 times better when you put product in it, because it tames down the hair a little bit. Now if you want this to be in its natural state where it's like puffy, don't put any I probably would say don't put any eco styling gel on it, because it's gonna look like this. But I definitely think it looks 10 times better like this. It just gives you that look. This hair color goes really good with my skin tone. Like, they did their thing with this hair. Look at these highlights, they put it in the right places. Like, oh my god. And this is a 22 inch, you guys. I was really like, I don't know if I want to do a 22 inch because, you know, I think 22 inches are like short for me. So for this to be a 22 inch, I do think that is still a beautiful unit. I don't think this unit is too thick for the weather neither. I definitely think this is about 150 to 180% density, so the fullness is great. As far as the fitting of this unit, it does fit me very well as well. She did go ahead and adjust the straps for me, so everything fits perfectly. There's no tangling on this unit, hardly any shedding. The only time I got some shedding is when I was spraying it and then putting that eco styling gel at the same time, so some of it was coming out at the ends. But I don't think it's like I said, it's not drastic, it's not bad or anything like that. I just think sometimes that happens with curly units. But ooh, you guys have to check this unit out. You can purchase this unit from westkiss.com. Now this will run you for about, I would say, $400 for the 22 inch. I definitely feel like it's worth it. Just imagine this unit being longer. Like, look at this. Just imagine this being longer. This is so beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful. Then it goes with my outfit I have on, so make sure you guys check out my Instagram. I will have that information in the description box below, because I do take pictures most of the time when I do these installs for my hair. This unit goes from an 8 inch to a 24 inch. So you do have, the next choice was the 24 inch. And then it has the choices of 150% density, 180, 200, 250. So you're really getting like that choice of getting whatever type of density you want. The more of the density you get, the thicker the hair is gonna be. With this unit, I don't feel like it's too thick and I don't feel like it's too full. I feel like it's just right. But again, it could be because I did put that product in it. Now, a lot of the ladies that watch my YouTube videos, they always ask me as well, are you able to dye this unit? Yes, you are able to dye this unit. This is a human hair unit. Most of the units I do now are human hair. So you could definitely dye this. But I promise you I wouldn't even dye this. This is so beautiful. And you guys, let me let you know what I did different today for my makeup. I decided to just add blush and no contour. I'm trying to do like different things with my makeup and stuff, so it came out really pretty. Like, really pretty without the contour. So I'm definitely gonna show you guys new makeup that I did get. I'm actually gonna be installing makeup, stuff like that, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. Other than that, make sure you guys check out all the details of this unit. You guys, make sure you guys check out Wig Junkies by Wit. That is the hairstylist that did do my hair as well. I will have her Instagram information in the description box so you guys can check her out. She is the best, you guys. Definitely go ahead and get your hair hooked up if you are in the Illinois area. Even the Wisconsin area, that's where I'm from. So this will be the end of this video, you guys. Again, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.